Independence Day to one and all. To get this independence, many people have fought, revolt, and sacrificed their lives. Welcome to the show, People's Opinion, a show where every ordinary person gets to speak and explore their point of view. There are many reasons for us not to be patriotic because of present politicians and politics. However, I feel every individual has their own point of view of being patriotic. As you all know, I have asked people to record a small video clip of them giving reasons behind their patriotism. Let's hear them.
దేశభక్తి అనేది ఒక నిరంతర ప్రక్రియ, జీవనది లాంటిది. దేశభక్తి అంటే జాతి యొక్క ఆత్మాభిమానానికి, ఔన్నత్యానికి అనుకూలంగా ఉండటం. మన భారతదేశాన్ని మనము భారత మాత అని అంటాం. ఎందుకంటే తల్లి ఎలా అయితే తన పిల్లల్ని పెంచి పోషించి సంరక్షిస్తుందో అలానే మన భారతదేశం కూడా చేస్తుంది. కాబట్టి మనము భారత మాత అని అంటాం. మన భారతదేశంలో చాలా గొప్ప సాంస్కృతిక సంప్రదాయాలు ఉన్నాయి. వాటన్నిటికీ కూడా ఒక శాస్త్రీయ కారణం ఉంది. చెవికి కమ్మలు పెట్టుకోవడం, నుదుటిన బొట్టు పెట్టుకోవడం, కాటుక పెట్టుకోవడం, చేతికి గాజులు వేసుకోవడం, వాకిట్లో కల్లాపి చల్లడం, ముగ్గు వేయడం, పెరట్లో తులసి చెట్టు పెట్టుకోవడం, వీటన్నిటికీ కూడా ఒక శాస్త్రీయ కారణం ఉంది. వీటిని తెలుసుకొని వేరే వేరే దేశాల నుంచి వచ్చి మరి ఇక్కడ నేర్చుకొని వాళ్ళ దేశాలకు వెళ్ళి చాటి చెబుతున్నారు. మన సాంప్రదాయాలను, మన సంస్కృతిని, మన కులాన్ని, మన మతాన్ని అన్నిటినీ మనం గౌరవిస్తూ మనం దేశభక్తి కలిగి ఉంటున్నాం. కాబట్టి దీన్నే దేశభక్తి అని అంటారు. రెక్కలు ఎన్నైనా పువ్వు ఒకటే, అందరం ఒకటే, మనమంతా ఒకటే.
Hello everyone. Patriotism is in our blood. Patriotism is a part of our character. Patriotism means not only saluting the national flag, remembering our freedom fighters. If you pick up a flag on the road, flag which is fallen in the road, then it is not called patriotism. If you pick up a person who is fallen on the road, then it is patriotism. When a person is in need and you can help him, then you should definitely help him. Then only you are said to have patriotism. Otherwise, you are not a human being, you are not a person of this country. Every human being should definitely have patriotism. You should not only see the flag in a piece of cloth, but also you should see the flag in each individual, and you should salute to each of the person. When you do so, then you are definitely going to put our country in the first position.
Concept and meaning of patriotism would easily come into mind by a soldier. After all, they are the most visible symbol of group that displays the commitment towards the country and forever being ready to sacrifice their life. The military is not just a group of people, but it's a profession with a unique and distinct characters. Patriotism is just another way of being thankful for receiving the services you avail by the nation. Equality, secularism and fraternity are the essential parts of military culture. You should be patriotic because the state as a whole does much more for you than you as an individual can ever do for the state. The military displays the love towards country. The Indian tricolor flies at every unit and over each post, and we stand tall and proud.
To share what makes me patriotic. India is an agriculture country. Its allied activities act as an important source of livelihood for more than 80% population of India. Our farmers are always connected with land. They produce food without any differentiation for everyone. They serve country 365 days but still get unnoticed. Without them we are nothing. We are also proud that our agriculture product is exported to many other countries and plays a huge role in Indian economy. Seeing farmers working hard and serving nation makes me patriotic.
Patriotism is a feeling of devotion and sense of attachment to the motherland and cooperating to the citizens who share the same feeling of patriotism. This attachment can be a combination of feelings relating to one's own motherland, include ethnic, political, historical and cultural aspects. Freedom fighters and soldiers are our first thought when we talk about patriotism. Soldiers are the people who protect our country. Many soldiers has been sacrificing their lives at the border. But at the same time, there are some unsung heroes who are risking their life in making India clean and green. Like people who are working in municipal corporation, sectors like drainage, garbage, dump yard, sanitation and water departments. But we remember only people who sacrifice their lives at the border and ignoring the people who work for us daily. They too deserve respect for their selflessness work. Without their work, we can't move a day peacefully. In In this present days, country doesn't need any bloodshed or lives of common people to show patriotism. Just need to keep our environment clean and green, respect and helping each other, obeying the rules and regulations, and doing our own work with discipline. These are some basic common things which make a person real patriot. I feel patriotic every time when I see unsung hero doing work for his country. Thank you all unsung and unnoticed heroes.
Hi everyone, I came in front of you to share my views about patriotism. I feel patriotism during the cricket match. That's the time our nation forgets caste, creed, religion, social discrimination, and national values were glued or attached to the TV screens. 1.2 billion lips chant together, Go India, Blood Blue India. And no festival is celebrated like our Indian team's victory. I especially mention India-Pakistan match where we feel more patriotic and every moment is exciting. Thanks for giving me this opportunity.
Hello friends. In my perspective, I strongly believe that using your knowledge, education towards the growth of your country is the best way of showing patriotism. Nowadays, we see that our youth who are skilled and talented are going to the other countries for higher pace and career growth. Because of that, the other countries are getting benefited. Whenever I see a person who is using his knowledge and education towards the growth of his nation, like APJ Abdul Kalam, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and many other legends, I feel inspired and patriotic.
भारत एक ऐसा देश जिसकी संस्कृति और सभ्यता पूरे विश्व में मशहूर है और यहाँ के लोग जिनका दिल बहुत बड़ा है, आंखों में बड़े बड़े सपने लेकर कुछ कर दिखाने का हौसला रखते हैं। शायद इस मिट्टी में ही कुछ जादू है और कुछ वीर ऐसे भी हैं जो इस देश के इतिहास में गुमनाम है, अनजान है। चलिए इन्हें और इनकी कामयाबी को याद करते हैं। सक्सेना वो भारत की पहली वुमेन पायलट है जिन्होंने अपनी 24 साल की उम्र में कारगिल युद्ध में हिस्सा लिया था। कारगिल युद्ध के दौरान उनके 40 मिशंस जैसे कि कैजुअलिटीज की मदद करना, पाकिस्तानी अड्डों को ढूंढ निकालना और भारतीय सिपाहियों को उनके जरूरतमंद सामान पहुंचाना। और आज तकरीबन 1600 महिलाएं इंडियन एयरफोर्स में दाखिल है। मेरा देश बदल रहा है। अब हम देश के उस एक असली हीरो के बारे में बात करेंगे जिसने 22 साल पहले अपने शब्दों से, अपनी वीरता से और सर्वोच्च बलिदान से हिंदुस्तान को गौरवान्वित कर दिया था और वो है शहीद कैप्टन विक्रम बत्रा। 1999 में जब पाकिस्तान की सेना ने कारगिल में चुपचाप घुसपैठ करके उसे कब्जा कर लिया था, उसी समय विक्रम बत्रा और उनकी यूनिट को ये आदेश दिया गया था कि कारगिल की चोटी .5140 को पाकिस्तान के कब्जे से खाली कराने का। कारगिल युद्ध उनके लिए पहली बड़ी लड़ाई थी और उस समय वे सिर्फ 24 वर्ष के थे। कारगिल की चोटियों पर बैठी पाकिस्तानी सेना से लड़ना आसान नहीं था और उसी भयानक लड़ाई में पाकिस्तानी के 5 सैनिक मार गिराते समय कैप्टन विक्रम बत्रा ने भी देश के लिए बलिदान कर दिया। उनकी परिश्रम के लिए उन्हें मरणांतर परमवीर चक्र से सम्मानित किया गया था। हम उन शहीदों और उनकी परिवार के कितने कर्जदार हैं, ये बात आज सबको समझना चाहिए। इन सर्वोच्च बलिदान की कहानियां हम सब भारतीयों को पता रहना चाहिए और अपनी अगली पीढ़ियों को भी बताना चाहिए। विक्रम बत्रा और इन जैसे कई हीरोज की बलिदान भारतीय इतिहास में सदा रहेगा।
అమ్మని ప్రేమించడానికి ఏమైనా కారణం ఉంటుందా? అలానే దేశాన్ని ప్రేమించడానికి ప్రత్యేకమైన కారణం ఏందో?
Thank you everyone for sharing your reasons behind patriotism. These days, patriotism is interpreted in a wrong way by the people. By abusing other nations, you can't call yourself as a patriot. Some say that patriotism is in our blood. Some see their kind of patriotism in different things of this nation, like cultural, army forces, agriculture and farming, sports and municipal corporation, and some see in unsung heroes. Some people don't have a particular reason, they just love their motherland unconditionally. I feel patriotism is in my blood. I have a logic towards my patriotism. It might be unrealistic, yet logical. If we think of freedom fight, we only remember few leaders like Bhagat Singh and Mahatma Gandhi. But there are many more people who have lost their life and struggle the same as those leaders who we don't recognize. Somewhere I strongly believe that those unrecognized soldiers and people who fought for the freedom might be our ancestors, whom we might have lost connection with. Just having that thought itself enhances the patriotism in me. Let's take a moment and appreciate all the sacrifice of those people who got unnoticed. Jai Hind.
జై హింద్.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Jai Hind.
जय हिंद.
Jai Hind.